YouTube fam? So I got a project that I've been wanting to do for a long time. As most of you know, I'm a fisherman. I love fishing. I can't get enough of it. I have a boat, and I've always wanted to redo a few things on my boat. So right here is my new project. It is a 1987 Deep V Klamath fishing boat. It's got a 25 horsepower Johnson on it right now. I redid the floors inside of it a while back. They're all wooden, 3/4 inch thick, holds a lot of water. It's not marine grade. It's what I had at the time. It worked, but I've had some really good ideas for it. So lately everything's been going good. It's salmon season's about to be here. Striper are running in the rivers. It's time to get some big fish. So we have a lot of plans for this right here. So as it sits right now, a few things I'm thinking about doing is putting aluminum frame subfloor in and a center console steering in the middle of this. I think that'll be awesome. We'll see. I don't have any mechanical skills. That's not my strong point in life, but we'll see what we can. Maybe I can get these chickens to help with the boat. Who knows? Hi guys. Living the dream. So a lot of lakes here in California, I'm not allowed to use them. So because of that, it'll be best if I just save up the money and put on a better one. Be safer to have the kids on the water. You know, it runs good, start up. It's tiller driven right now. I'd really like center console steering. I think it'll just be even better. If I can get a nice flat aluminum floor down here, you know, it can make a big difference when you're out there on the water. Nice and stable. We're gonna redo the entire trailer, all the lights. We're gonna make this boat look like a 2020. You know, we're gonna bring it back to some glory days. So right now, the huge task will be to clean this up, get all the stuff out of this boat, get the water that's sitting in there. We're gonna need to get a new cover. Up in here and see what we can do. Get this cover all the way off it. It's trash anyways. Oh my. Man, I miss being in here. Had some fun times at the river, for sure. Besides, they need to be cleaned, but that's all self-etching primer that I did when I sanded it all the first time, put these wooden floors in here. But like I said, we're going to change that up. Woo! Just ripping. Alright, that ain't gonna be fun. There we go. Say hi to Stefan. Happens with untreated wood floors. It's just going all the way down. Whoa! Yeah, this is why we don't do wood. Unless it's treated marine wood, of course, then hey, to each their own. But like I said, we're doing all aluminum. Completely new build. Well, that's what we got done today so far. Clean the boat out. We still got a lot more to do. We'll rip out all this old carpet. We'll rip out all the old wood. All this is going to get redone. The center bench is going to get taken out, lowered, complete flat subfloor all the way across. Do something nice back there, maybe raise it up a little bit and platform it out. We're going to redo that transom either with all aluminum or one of those polyurethane mixes with an aluminum cap. Like I said, a brand new motor, probably a 30 horsepower and potentially a small kicker. Center console steering is what I really want, with the one seat behind for the driver, and then the seat like ice chest combo, or the seat live well combo. All new wiring, all new lights inside and outside the boat, so the water will glow for bait fish or crappie fishing. Inside will be all lit up, and then we're gonna do some of that multicolor flooring in here, so it makes it pop and look really good. So we got a lot of plans. I don't foresee it taking forever to do. We'll plug away a little bit every day, and we should be on the water for this salmon season coming up in July. So that's going to end it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for all the fun things we're going to be doing in here. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a learning experience for me because I don't know how to do a lot of this stuff. But yeah, I think we can make this boat an epic build. And stay tuned for more videos. Appreciate you guys.